Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this tray. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. For this next DIY, you're going to need a large mirror. And I got this mirror a while ago at Hobby Lobby. They have mirrors in all sizes over there. I also got these ribbons from Hobby Lobby. So I think I'm going to be using this one because I already made trays with that one. So I think I'll be using the smaller one. And then I got glue sticks, my glue gun, and then I'm going to put these under the mirror. And then I have E6000. So I decided to go with this ribbon. This one right here, I don't know, but I don't like the way it's coming out, so I'm just going to go with the same ribbon that I used before. You only could do a little section at a time, so you need a lot of patience. And you don't have to worry about the glue that's going to show because you could take it off when it dries. It comes off really easily. Just be careful you don't burn yourself. So I'm repeating the same thing to this side. I'm adding a little bit of glue first. Now I'm going to put in the hot glue. I'll be doing this to the all four edges. And when you get to the corner, what you gotta do is fold the ribbon over. And the E6000 takes 24 hours to dry, so that's why I'm using the hot glue. And the E6000 is permanent glue, the hot glue isn't. This is just to hold it in place for now. So this is the size that I need. So I'm gonna be cutting the ribbon over here. And this ribbon is easy to cut. So I'm gonna repeat the same step again. Then once you're done wrapping the whole ribbon all around the mirror, to connect it, you're just gonna put a little bit of glue on the edge over here. And hold it together.